Hello everyone, my name is Amal More and welcome to our channel Solution to Black Book. Now today one of our students has asked us this very beautiful and nice limits question. The question is x square sine of 1 by x plus x and x root of 1 plus x minus e. Now you should look for the nitty-gritty details and the discussions that we'll be doing more than the solution, because this is a very important solution. The solution is itself the chapter, you can say. Okay, so first of all, let us understand the pattern. Now if you substitute x as 0 in the numerator, you will have this sine of 1 by 0 plus 0. Now sine of 1 by 0 will be sine of infinity, and 0 into sine of infinity plus 0. Now sine of infinity is a finite number because that will be lying between minus 1 to 1, and then that will be multiplied with 0. Now any number between minus 1 to 1 multiplied with 0 gives a 0, and 0 plus 0 is 0. So your numerator is 0. Very good. And then you check for the denominator. So what will be the denominator? Let us check. So if you check the denominator, it is 1 plus x raised to 1 by x minus e. Now as limit x tends to 0, you know that this answer will be tending to e. So e minus e will be given to 0, because we all know this limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x raised to 1 by x is e. So e minus e, the limit is 0. It means this is a 0 by 0 form. The numerator is also 0 and the denominator is also 0. Hence the limit should be solved. Now what I propose over here is you divide numerator and denominator both by x. Then it will be very easy to solve this question. Okay, so let us make a few changes to the numerator and denominator and start solving. So this L is equal to limit x tends to 0. What exactly I am doing is dividing numerator and denominator by x. So every term in the numerator will be divided by x, and in the denominator also it will be divided by x. I am providing separate limits to numerator and denominator. X root of x can be written as 1 plus x raised to x, 1 by x minus e upon x. Now observe carefully, I am only talking about the numerator right now. Numerator, if you check carefully, it will be limit x tends to 0, x sine of 1 by x plus 1, right? Only talking about the numerator. Now you all know that sine of 1 by x is nothing but 0 into sine of 1 by 0, which is infinity, plus 1. Sine of infinity again is a finite value between minus 1 to 1, and that is then multiplied with 0. So 0 into anything is 0. Anything means infinite number which is between minus 1 to 1 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Basically this numerator, which I'll show you with a red bracket, is actually equal to 1. So now the question remains is to solve the denominator. So let us try and solve the denominator. The denominator is limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x raised to 1 by x minus e upon x. Now some might argue that, sir, we can directly write down 1 plus x raised to 1 by x as e, and e minus e upon x will be our answer, which is 0, right? But that is wrong, because if you write down 1 plus x raised to 1 by x as e, that is actually not e. That is actually tending to e. Are you getting it? This 1 plus x raised to 1 by x is actually tending to e. It means it will be very close to e but not e. So the numerator is actually a very small quantity. Are you getting it? This 1 plus x raised to 1 by x minus e is not 0. It is actually a very small quantity, and in the denominator also it is also a very small quantity because x tends to 0. That means it is an indeterminate form, 0 by 0, and it should be solved properly, right? There are a few more ways to solve this. You can say you can also use L'Hopital rule for solving this, right? Some people argue that we can do this by using the L'Hopital rule. That is also one of the very good ways of doing it. What people do is apply LH rule to the numerator also and to the denominator also, and they automatically get their answer. right? But I prefer, more than L'Hopital rule, is actual solving of it. So how can this be done? Let us see. I need an e raised to form. So I will write down this as e raised to 1 by x log of 1 plus x minus e. Okay. Now divided by x. Now this might be very difficult for some of the people. So this transformation I am going to show. Okay. So let me add a page for that. Suppose you are given 1 plus x raised to 1 by x, and I am trying to write this down as e raised to log of 1 plus x raised to 1 by x. As we all know, e and log nullify each other. So what will remain is 1 plus x raised to 1 by x. That is what it is. And this transforms to, taking 1 by x backwards, it will be 1 by x log of 1 plus x. So that is the reason I have directly write down 1 plus x raised to 1 by x is equal to e raised to 1 by x log of 1 plus x. Okay. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be applying 1 by x, and then there is a series for log of 1 plus x. The series is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x raised to 4 by 4 and so on, minus e upon x. Okay, so what I did is I applied the series of log of 1 plus x. Over here, the red marked thing which you see is the series of log of 1 plus x. Now this 1 by x will go inside and divide every number. So I am going to show you that step so that you are very clear about it. So the denominator now is turning into a pretty simplified form. When 1 by x goes inside, every x power will reduce by 1. So initially it will be 1 by 1 minus x by 2 plus x square by 3 minus x cube by 4 plus and so on, minus e upon x. Okay, so now as you can see, there are various powers. So what I can do is I can take e raised to 1 and then I can write down e raised to minus 1, let us say. Then I can write down e raised to x by 2. Let us do one change over here. What I am trying to do is, let me say, I need to take some power of e common. So for that, what I might do, so let us say it is e raised to minus 1 if we need to take common, e raised to minus 1 if we take common, then it will be 1 minus 1 plus x by 2 minus x square by 3 minus, okay, let us do one thing, divide numerator and denominator both by e. Divide numerator and denominator both by e. Yes, this was a simple task we needed to do. This is very easy. Now why do we need to divide, that also I will tell you. See, we have a formula called as limit x tends to 0, e raised to x minus 1 upon x is nothing but log of e, which is 1. This is what we have with us. That is what is needed to be done. Okay, so very simple, divide each term by e. So let us divide e raised to 1 minus x by 2 plus x square by 3 minus x cube by 4 plus so on. Divide this by e and minus e by e, and then over in the denominator also it is x by e. Now this is the simplest form. So this e and e will get cancelled and it will be e raised to 0, which is 1. Now this e raised to 1 will go up and it will become minus, and this 1 will get cancelled and this e will be switched to upside. Okay, I hope this much of particular part is clear to everyone. Okay, so what will happen over here is we have divided the numerator denominator by e, because of which e is now shifted to up, and this is e into limit of x tends to 0, e raised to this 1 and this 1 got cancelled, so e raised to minus x by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus x square by 3 minus x cube by 4 plus and so on, and then there was a minus 1, and there was upon also, right? There was upon also x upon e got shifted. Okay, now latter part, limit x tends to 0, e raised to minus x upon 2, x square upon 2, minus x cube upon 4, minus 1. Now check the numerator and check the power of e. It is minus x by 2 plus x square by 3 minus x cube by 4. Put x as 0. So you will get the power as 0. So that is turning up to infinity. So minus x by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x cube by 4 up to infinity, multiplied and divided. That's what we are doing, multiplied and divided. Now as you can see, this x shifts over here. Okay, now as you can see, the power over here is actually in the division. I have divided by the same power, so the power is also tending to 0. So basically what I mean to say is this whole expression is turning into 1. And in the numerator, if you see, x gets divided and this turns into minus 1 by 2 plus x cube by x square by 3 minus x square, this was x square, so this will be x and x square by 4 and so on. Anyways, it does not matter. When you put x at 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, and everything else will be 0, and minus 1 by 2 will remain. So final answer will be equal to my e into minus 1 by 2. Why? Because all the other terms of x are going 0 and only minus 1 by 2 is remaining. So minus e by 2. So our limit was numerator by denominator. Numerator was 1 and denominator was minus e by 2. So the final answer is minus 2 by e. If you have forgotten, just check the limit of the numerator. It is 1. The limit of the numerator is 1. And on the last page, we have also calculated the limit of the denominator, which is minus e by 2. And when they are divided, we get minus 2 by e. Hence, the correct answer to this question is minus 2 by e. Thank you for watching the video, guys. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.